it appears that the way of the future in the administration of justice will be through the virtual courts and making sure we spend little time or as less time as possible in physical engagements in courtroom. So again, on the issue of technology and the software for delivering the jurisprudence or delivering justice, the Supreme Court has done a good job. That, I think, on a fair assessment, the court has done a good job. The second and last issue, Your Excellency, I want to mention is public interest and how we handle the tensions between these broad interests with individual rights and freedoms, which are also powerfully protected in our Bill of Rights. I, as a student of law, I'll be interested to, going forward, hear or learn what the Supreme Court and the other superior courts will tell us beyond public interest, whether there are other higher interests. And I'm saying this with a bit of bias, Your Excellency, because I have had to ask myself whether the highest interest is the public interest, or there is a higher interest called the national interest. Because the public itself could hurt the national interest. Other than the parameters and principles that the courts are helping us to understand about public interest, are there other higher values, primordial? Because the public can be mobilized or can mobilize itself to do the wrong things that threaten the existence of the state. I think the Chief Justice and the other speakers have ably brought out how we minimize the tensions between independence of the arms of government and the interdependence of the arms of government. That tension needs to be cleaned up a bit so that we do not hurt the four aspects of independence, especially for the judiciary.